Okay, let's start the lesson. So, dear students, let's start with squares and square roots. Okay, so
Fine.
okay,
I
I hope
have been
everyone can hear carefully. Can you people all hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, keep your mic muted. If I will ask you the question, then you can unmute your mic and answer. Okay. So first of all, squares. So can you tell me what is the meaning of zero square? Zero square means zero is multiplied 2 times. 0 times 0, which is equal to 0. This is square. Now if I say what is square root? Square root is opposite of square. Square root is basically the power 1 by 2. Okay, square root is basically the power 1 by 2. So basically if I write 0 square inside the square root, I can also write 0 square because this square root is the power 1 by 2. I can write this square root like this. So I can cancel square with square root, I will get 0. So what is square? If we multiply a number with itself, we will get a square. And what is square root? Square root cancels the square with a root. So we can simply do like this. 0 square, we don't need to do this step. This is just for understanding. We can cancel the square with square root, we will get 0. Now let's suppose, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So what is the square root of 1? Means we can cancel out square with square root and we will get 1. Okay. So now what is 2 square? Yes. Now one by one, everyone is going to tell me about one of the squares and then I will know if you can understand this or not. Okay. So starting with Harim. Yes, Harim. What is 2 square? Again, Ishal Fatma. 4. Okay. And what is square root of 4?
16.
No. Yes, Harim. Only Harim can answer. Yes, Harim. What is square root of 4? 2 square is 4. So it means 4 is square root of 4. Instead of 4, you can write 2 square over here. Right? So square is going to cancel with square root and you will get the answer 2. Yes, Harim. Can you understand? All of you can understand this?
No, miss, I don't understand the. No, miss, I cannot understand the square root of 4.
Okay. Do you know what is 2 square? It is 4. Right? Yes,
Yes.
everyone. 2 square is 4. Everyone. Now square root of 4. So what is the meaning of square root of 4? Means you have to write square root and 4 is equal to 2 square. You can see from here 4 is equal to 2 square. So instead of 4, can I write 2 square? Can you understand this step? Instead of 4, can I write 2 square?
Yes.
Now can I cancel square with square root?
Yes.
So I will get 2. Okay, Ishal Fatma.
Okay,
What is 3 square? Yes, Ishal Fatma.
miss. 6.
Ishal Fatma, what is 3 square?
Miss 6.
No. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. What is 3 multiplied by 3, Ishal Fatma?
9.
9. So 3 square is 9.
9.
Okay. Yes, Fajr. How can I write square root of 9?
Miss, 9 by the power 2 and the
Square root of
answer
9. 9 can be written as?
um 27.
No. 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. What
Okay.
gives you 9? 3 square
3
gives
times
you 9. So 9 can be written as
3 with the
3 to
power
the
2.
power 2. So what you will get?
3.
You will cancel 2 with square root. You will get 3. Very good, Fajr. Yes, then. What is 4 square?
Miss, can you explain me? I just joined.
You can listen to me. What is 4 square?
4 square is 16.
How does it 16 come? 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, right? Okay, then. Yes, then. What is 16 square root of 16?
Wait.
Instead of 16, what can I write over here? What is, no, 4 square is 16. So it means instead of 16, I can write over here what?
Miss, I think
Listen to me
in my
then.
guess.
4 square, listen to me then. 4 square is 4 times 4, which is 16, right? Now if I have to take square root of 16, instead of this 16, the square root come as it is. Instead of this 16, I have to write, can I write 4 square? Yes, then.
Yes.
Now can I cancel square with square root?
Yes.
So I will get 4. Got it? Then did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, the next student. Okay. Fatima. Yes, Fatima. What is 5 square?
25. 25.
It means 5 times 5 is 25. So what is square root of 25?
First, we will write 5 to the power 2. Then we will cancel the square with square root. Then our answer will be 5.
Very good. Very good, Fatima. Okay, next is Aisha. She just joined the lesson. Aisha, what is 6 square? Aisha, just listen to me and I will ask you the next question. Yes, Fajr. What is 6 square?
Miss, 6 times 6 is 36.
Very good,
So,
Fajr.
and then the
Square root of
square root of
36?
36. The square root of 36 is 6 with the power 2. We can cut
Very,
2 and then write 6.
very good. Now, 7 square. Okay, we are done with Harim, Fajr, Fatima, Ishal, Fatima. Yes, Ishal, Fatima.
Miss,
Ishal, can you
49.
hear me? Sorry?
49.
49, good. And square root of 49?
Miss, 7 square.
Yes, yes, square root of 49. What can I write?
Miss, 7.
7 what? 7 square.
7
Then square
square.
cancel with square root and then we get 7. Okay, Aisha. Aisha, you are the last one now. Yes, Aisha, you joined late. What is 8 square? Aisha, what is 8 square?
8 8 are 64.
8 times 8 is 64. Very good. So, Aisha, can you tell me what is the square root of 64?
8 square.
Very good, Aisha. 8 is the square root of 64. Okay, 9 square. Who is going to tell me about 9? Anyone can speak.
81. Miss, can I? Miss, 9 times 9 is 81. The square root of 81 is 8 with the power 2. You cut the 2 and you can get
9 to the power 2. Yes, Fajr. Okay, this was Fajr speaking. Yes, Dan, Harim, Fatna, Ishal, everyone can speak. 10 square.
100. Time.
So square root of 100.
We will write 10 to the power 2, then we will cut 2 square with the square root, then our answer will be 10.
So it means if we have to solve the square root, it will get like 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. It means I can cancel all of the squares with the square root, and what will I get? The square root is finished now. I will only get 2 times 2 times 2. Did you understand this fact? Yes?
Yes.
So whenever we have square root, if we have powers of 2, we can cancel all of the powers of 2 with the square root. Got it? Clear? Everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Find out the prime factorization. Okay, yesterday we did a lot of questions for prime factorization. And I hope everyone can understand prime factorization. So today we are going to do the prime factorization. So first of all, now we have to find square root of 1764. So we have just learned that square root only cancels with the power of 2, right? If we have power of 2, then the square root cancels with it. So it means we have to do the factorization and find the numbers that come in the powers of 2, so that we can just cancel the square root and we get the final answer. Okay. So square root of 1764. First of all, we're going to try a 1764 for the prime factorization. Yes. Who is going to help me out in this prime factorization thing? Okay. So with which number should I start?
Miss, you can start with 2.
Okay. So 2 times, yes, Ishal Fatma, Kareem Fatma, Jen, Aisha, everyone can speak because you all can participate collectively in these questions. Okay. So 2
Miss,
times
2
2
8
is
are
4. 82.
2 8 is 16. Very good. 2 8 is 16, and 2 times 2 is 4. Very good. Next, which number should I start with?
2.
8.
And you get 4 4 1.
2 times 4 is 8. 4 is 8. 1 is 2. Okay. Next.
You can do it with
7.
7.
Can I do with 3?
Yes,
3 times 1 is 3.
Yes.
4 is 12. 7 is 21. Yes. Next, yes, Fatma.
7. Miss, you can do 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 10.
Fatma, you're not speaking again. Can you hear me today?
Yes.
Fatima, can you hear me today? Okay, Fatima, what will be the next step?
We will cut it with the 3, 3, 7.
Okay,
21.
3 steps.
And Miss,
Then 7 1s are 7.
7s are 7s 1s are
Okay.
7.
Now tell me, because we need to find the square root, so we need the pairs. We cannot
Yes.
work without pairs.
Miss, there are 2 times 2 in the multiplication. So 2 with the power 2, 3 with the
Okay, now
power
listen
2,
to me.
7 with the
Listen to me,
power.
everyone. Okay, now 1764 is in the square root. This is the question that I have taken. Now in the square root, I am going to write 2 into 2 because 2 is coming 2 times. So I will write 2 here. Got it? I can write 3 is coming 2 times. Can I write 3 square?
Yes.
Got it? 7 is coming 2 times. Can I write 7 square?
Yes.
Got it? Can you tell me what will be the next step?
We'll cut out the square with the square. We will cut out the squares with the square root sign.
So what we will get? 2 times 3 times 7. So what will be the answer?
42. 42 will be done.
6 into 7, which is equal to 42. Very nice. Okay. Coming to part B. So now I will try to do other parts a bit fastly. Okay. 5, 7, 6. Okay. Can we start with table of 2? 2
Yes.
times 2 is 4. 8 is 16. 8 is 16.
3 are
2
6.
times 1 is 2. 4 is 8. 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is 12.
236.
2 times
18.
1 is 2. 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1.
303.
Miss,
Yes. Now, you people are going to tell me 576. What pairs am I getting?
Miss, can I tell?
Fajr, yes. What will be the first pair, Fajr?
2 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times
But
2
we
with the
have to
power
write in the
6.
form of pairs now. We're going to write in the form of pairs.
Okay. 2, like you write it 3 times 2 with the power 2 and then 3 with the power 2.
Got it? So I have written 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and then 3 square. Now, what is the
Yes.
next step then?
Then
Factor square.
Yes, then. What will be the next step then?
Miss, we will multiply them.
First, we can cancel the squares with square roots.
Yes.
Yes, then. Can we cancel the squares with square roots?
Yes, miss. So if we cancel the square roots, the answer will be 24.
Very good. So, any student who cannot understand the first two parts can just stop me here and I can explain again. Any student who can't understand the first two questions. Okay, I'm starting the C part, 2916. Okay. So it's going to be 2 times 1 is 2, 4 is 8, 5 is 10, 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14, 2 is 4, 9 is 18.
You can do
3
this.
times 2 is 6, 4 is 12, 3 is 9. 8 is
3.
24, 2 times 1 is 3. Okay, students, you are going to help me write the factors now in the form of pairs. Okay, what will be the first factor, student?
2 with the power 2.
Very
2
good.
with the power
Second
2.
factor,
Then 3 with the power 2. Then 3 with the power 2. Then again 3 with the power 2.
2.
what will be the next step, students?
Miss,
Cut
we will
out,
cut
we will
the
cut out
and
the
then we
square
will
with the square
multiply
root.
them all 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 and we can do by 6 times 3 and we what to do next. Miss, what did you do here?
Here,
Right here, very right, where
I
you wrote in
multiply 2
point.
times 3 is 6. I multiply 3 times 3 is 9. I multiply 6 into 9 is 54.
Okay, this is the shorter way.
Yes. Yes, then are you getting?
Yes.
Because if you understand the concept, then you can just do it later on too. But if you are finding any problem in the concept, I can just slow down and then work for you. Yes, then.
Yes, miss.
Are you getting it? Okay, then you are
Yes,
going to do this
miss.
question now. Hurry up. Come and do this question. I should start with,
2.
okay, 2 times 1 is 2, 5 is 10, 6 is
Yes.
12, 8 is 16. Yes, next.
2.
Next number with which I have to start, 2. 2 times 7 is 14, 8 is 16, 4 is 8. Next number,
2. 3.
2 times 3 is 6, 9 is 18, 2 is 4. Yes, next number then.
2. 2.
Yes, then keep participating. Yes, then.
2.
2 times 1 is 2, 9 is 18, 6 is 12. Yes, then next.
I think 3.
It's 6 over here, na still. So it's an even number. So we
2.
can still do it
2.
with 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 8 is 16. Yes, then next.
2.
Okay. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 is 18. Yes, then next.
Yes. Miss, There is no even number in the end, so it will be 3.
No, but 49 do not come in the table of 3.
I think
49
7.
comes into the table. Very good then. 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 1 is 7. Okay. Can you help me write the factors now in the form of squares?
Yes,
Yes then. Okay.
First, we will write 2 square,
Okay.
again 2 square,
Okay.
2 square,
Okay.
2 square.
3 times we have to do square and then we have to write 7 square. Then we can cancel the square roots with the square. We will get 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Now how I am going to multiply these 4 things? Because I need the very shortest way to multiply. So I will do 2 times 2 is 4.
54.
Multiply by 7 times 2 is 14. So I can now multiply 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 is 6.
50.
Okay. So we are done with the square roots of this thing. Now question number 2 is more easier. Given the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. Now in the question number 1, we did so long working to find the prime factors. But in this question, they have find out the prime factors for us. What we need to do is, we just need to find the square roots. So how easy it is. So for the 9801, square root of 9801, they said find its square root. So it means I have to put the sign of square root and I will write 9801. Got it? Now I have to write the prime factorization. So prime factorization is given. It is 3 times 4 times 11 times 2. But the problem is we cannot do with 4. We need to do with 2. So can I convert this 3 times 4 like this? 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times. This is already 2, so I don't need to convert. I can write like this 11 times 2. Yes, tell me, can you understand this step, everyone?
Yes.
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 Everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the last step is again the same. We need to cancel out the squares with square roots. So we get 3 times 11. So we get 3 times 3 is 9 times 11, which is 99. Now you people are going to help me do the next questions. Okay. Question number B. Now they are saying find the square root. So if we have to find the square root, definitely I'm going to put a square root like this. So I have to find the square root of which number? I'm doing part B. So the number is 3, 5, 7, 2, 1. Now I have to do this thing 3, 5, 7, 2, 1 and find the prime factorization. But the question has already done the prime factorization for me and given me the answer of prime factorization, that is 3 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 2. Yes. Now what will be the next step?
Miss, we can write 3 with the power 2 3 times and 7 with the power 2 1 time, and then we can get an answer.
Because it is 6 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can
I
erase them and
cut 3 with the power 2 3 times.
And we can do 3 times 3 6 times 7 times 3 21 6 times 21.
3 times 3 is 9 for your very kind information. 7 times 3 is 21.
21.
9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. So 1.
189.
Rahma is not there today.
189.
Kareem, Fatma, Aisha, Ishar, Zain. Okay. Coming to the question part C now. For the part C, they are again making the things very easy for us. They said find square root, I will put the square root. They said find the square root for 2, 4, 3, 6. Okay. So the prime factorization is 2 to the power 4 times 3 square times 13 square. Okay.
Miss, can I tell?
Yes. Who is going to tell? No, someone. Aisha, now you're going to tell. Yes, Aisha's turn.
2 square.
Yes, Aisha, how can I write this?
2 square
Very
multiply
good.
3 square
Very good.
multiply 3 square multiply
Very good.
13.
So what I will get 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 times 13. 4 times 3 is 12 times 13. So what is 12 times 13, kids? Is it 156? Okay. The last one, D part. So because they say find square root, I will put square root and I will write 5, 1, 8,
Excuse me,
4,
ma'am.
0, 0. Sorry,
Miss, 12 times 13 is 876.
12 times 13 is 2, basically which? 2, 4, 3
120.
square, 15 square, 2 square, 2 square, 13, 4, what is it, 12, okay. 12 times 13 is 156. You can redo the calculation. 12 times 13 is 156. Okay. So 2 to the power 8 times 3 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 2, which can be written as 2, 2, cancelling all the squares, we get 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, 5. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Multiply by 3 times 3 is 9. Multiply by 5.
We don't cut out the square with the square root.
Sorry?
We don't cut here the squares with the square root.
Yes, yes, I have to cut them out. Okay. So I will get 17. Okay, coming to the next question. Find out the cube roots now. Now, students, as we have done the square roots. So, what is the difference between square roots and cube roots? So, let me just tell you the thing. Okay. So, students, what is one cube? One cube means 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So, cube root of 1 means here it here will be 3. So, if there is 3 over here, it can be cancelled with a cube root. So, we will get the answer 1. Same as the square root. Okay. So, now what is 2 cube? It is 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 is 6. We need to multiply 2 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Now what will be the cube root of 8? Instead of 8, cube root of 8. Now cube root can only cancel with the power of 3. Can I write, instead of 8, can I write 2 to the power 3? Yes, students.
Yes.
Instead of 8, can I write 2 to the power 3? Then this cube is going to cancel with the cube root and I will get 2. Got
Yes.
it?
Yes, miss.
Likewise, just if squares can only be cancelled with square roots, similarly cubes can only be cancelled with cube roots. इसका मतलब है if cube means 3. So let's suppose I have 3 cube. What is the meaning of 3 cube? 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. Now can I write the cube root of 27? So instead of 27, what should I write here?
It's 3 with the power of cube.
3 to the power 3. Very good. So it
Then
cancels
we
with
will
the
cut.
cube root and I will get the answer 3. Okay, let's start the questions now. Part A. 3 3, 7, 5 cube root. Okay. Yes, student. With which number should I start? Can I start with 5 because there is 5 at the end? Yes, students. Can I start with 5? Aisha, Ishal, Fatma.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I start with 5? Okay. So 5 times 6 is 30. 3 carry. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 carry. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. So next. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 is 15. 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 is 35. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Any student having problem in the prime factorization part?
No.
Aisha clear? Fatma?
No.
There's one more Fatma. Yes, Fatma?
Sorry, saying something?
Is this prime factorization clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now can you tell me how to write this prime factorization in this cube root? 3375. So instead of 3375, what should I write?
Miss, here we will write 5 with the power 3.
Multiply by?
The 3 with the power 3.
Very good.
Then we
So
will
I
cut
cancel out these things and I get the answer 15.
15. 15.
Okay. So next is B part. Cube root of 1728. Yes, then we're going to participate with prime factorization. 1728. Let's start with 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 6 is 12. 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 is 6. 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is 2. 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. We take two numbers, put 0 here. 8 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 is 14. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. Can I write these numbers in the form of the cube root? You are going to help me out.
Yes.
1728 cube. So how can I write it? Yes, students.
Miss,
Fastly
2,
Yes,
Miss,
Fatma.
2.
Miss 2 with the power 3
Yes.
multiply
Yes,
by
then.
2 with the power.
Yes, then. Can you answer the last one? Hurry up, then you
Yes,
need to
miss.
take the mic off and answer. Yes.
Miss, in this, can I cancel the square root?
First of all, tell me what should I write here? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 next.
6. Oh, sorry. 3.
3 to the power 3.
3 to
Because
the power
this
3.
is 1, 2,
Because
3
that
taken. Yes, very good. Now we can cancel. Very good. 2 times 2 times 3. So I will get 2
12.
times 4 times 3, which is 12. Very good. C part. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 9 is 18. 1 is 2. 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 is 8. 5 is 10. 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 is 4. 9 is 18. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 is 12. 3 is 9. 8 is 24. 1 is 3. 2 is 6. 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. So can I write it